Hello everyone, welcome to the SGUnited Health Jigsaw. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw is a blended events initiative in which you need to complete a total of 4 challenges. So choose one challenge per puzzle piece. Each puzzle piece represents a key part of the SGUnited initiative. The SGUnited Health Jigsaw aims to encourage the community to connect and exercise together while adhering to social distancing protocol. We hope to foster bonds and to build the SGUnited spirit through this program, especially during this difficult time. We also hope to empower the community to maintain a healthy and active lifestyle together. Today, we'll be doing the Taiji challenge in the Stay Active at the Park puzzle piece. Before we commence, check your surrounding for any safety hazards. You must conduct this activity in an outdoor area, such as a park. Ensure that you are standing a safe distance away from others so as to avoid collision and to maintain social distancing. We also encourage you to wear the appropriate sports attire.
By completing the challenge, you are pledging to
We pledge to stay active and encourage our family and friends to join us in maintaining an active lifestyle together. We will take care of our health and play our part in building a healthy community that is safe for everyone. SG United!
Now I'll pass the time over to trainer Zachary.
Hi, I'm Zachary, and I'm going to show you some techniques for the challenge. Feel free to follow me. Okay, step 1. Take a step on your left foot. Bring both palms up, and then you press. Okay, step 2. Pretend you hold a ball, and you can bring your foot in like this. Okay, for step 3, you can take a step forward and open like this. Okay, for step 4, you bring both your hands diagonally up, pull, and press. Okay, for step 5, you bring both your hands up, bring your feet in, and close.